Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we tackle everyday home fixes with simple, straightforward advice. Today, we're diving into a common issue with KitchenAid dishwashers, that annoying blinking clean light. If you're dealing with this in 2025, don't worry, it's often an easy fix that you can handle yourself in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First things first, the blinking clean light usually indicates a problem like a door not sealing properly, a clogged filter, or issues with drainage. Start by ensuring your dishwasher door is fully closed and latched. Sometimes, a simple misalignment can trigger this error. Give it a firm push and see if the light stops blinking. Next, let's check the filter. Over time, food particles and debris can build up, causing the sensor to malfunction. Locate the filter at the bottom of your dishwasher. It's usually a cylindrical piece you can twist and remove. Rinse it under warm water and scrub away any gunk. Once it's clean, pop it back in and run a quick test cycle. If that doesn't solve it, drainage might be the culprit. Make sure there's no blockage in the drain hose or the sink's garbage disposal. You might need to disconnect the hose carefully and clear out any obstructions. Always remember to unplug the dishwasher first for safety. Another handy trick is to reset the appliance. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker for about a minute, then turn it back on. This can clear temporary glitches and reset the sensors. If the light still blinks after these steps, consult your user manual for specific error codes. KitchenAid models often display codes that point to issues like a faulty water inlet valve. At that point, it might be wise to call a professional to avoid any further damage. There you have it. Simple steps to get your KitchenAid dishwasher back in action. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and we'll see you in the next video.